When we had talked about various kinds of pollution, we should also discuss about how to control the environmental degradation. Keep in mind that 1 liter of wastewater pollutes the 8 liter of fresh water. For this, we should keep some suggestions in mind. They are, first of all, rainwater harvesting, that is, storing and utilizing the natural rainwater. Then, move on to minimize the use of water in industries. Next is retreatment of hot and polluted water before releasing it into the water bodies. Next is primary and secondary treatment by mechanical and biological means respectively. Tertiary treatment by biological, chemical and physical processes. Keep in mind, legal regulation is also necessary on overdrawing of groundwater. Fitting smoke stacks can help us in industries with electrostatic precipitation, fabric, filters, scrubbers and inertial separators. Reduction of smoke by the use of oil and gas instead of coal. Use of silencer in machinery generators and noise absorbing equipments like earplugs and earphones. Last but not the least, NTPC, an ISO certified organization for EMS, also gives protective approach to save natural environment and resources.